Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello for project management, pro tips step by step clearly. Open Trello and create a new board. Choose a template or start from scratch. Name your board according to your project. Add lists to your board to reflect different stages of your project. Consider using lists like to do, in progress, and completed. Create cards for individual tasks within each list. Click on Add a card under the appropriate list to create a new task. Provide a clear title and description for each card. Set due dates to keep the project on track. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type. Assign team members to each card to delegate responsibilities. Add checklists to cards for larger tasks that require multiple steps. Utilize the comments section for communication and updates. Attach files relevant to the task directly within the card. Integrate Trello with other tools like Google Drive or Slack for enhanced functionality. Regularly update the status of cards to reflect progress. Move cards between lists as tasks advance through different phases. Use the calendar view to see deadlines visually. Periodically review your board with the team to adjust plans as needed. Explore Power UPS to add advanced features like automation and reporting. Keep your board organized and tidy for maximum efficiency. Stay flexible and adapt your workflow as your project evolves. With consistent use, Trello can significantly enhance your project management process. By following these pro tips, you'll make the most of Trello for achieving your project goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.